Welcome to the Life of Hair. My name's James Atkinson, and in this episode we're going to do a review of a product. In the next year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, however long I do this YouTube channel for, I'm going to bring to you lots and lots of reviews of products and tools from the perspective of a professional to you, the consumer. Today's product, a Wax Blast. This is Wax Blast number 10 by Redken, a wax product that comes in a can. This is not a hairspray. This is tiny wax particles that are compressed into a can that make for a great finishing product. Really easy to distribute the product throughout the hair with this spray can wax. Now, that is a very fine wax molecule. So the good thing about that is that it doesn't build up heavily on the hair. You can put lots and lots and lots and lots on, and it won't suddenly feel sticky or like you've put too much product in the hair. I think if you sprayed it for long enough, it might feel like that. But now, I don't love every product that Redken make in their styling range, but this one is particularly good. A lot of problems that you get with spray waxes, and stylists and consumers alike will probably know this, that when you use a spray wax more than a few times, the nozzle can become blocked. And the spray will no longer leave the nozzle, and you've got to take the top off, and you've got to put that in hot water, and that dissolves the wax molecules, and then you can use your product again. Well, that's not very convenient if it's 6 in the morning and you're trying to style your hair. This, for me, is probably one of the best wax blasts I've personally used over the last 15 years of my career. I remember the very first wax blast type products that came onto the market. They were hard to use, they were sticky. It wasn't a great experience, but with these particular products, well, they're getting better and better and better. So this at the moment is my number one wax spray product. And unless I'm creating a style that needs extreme amounts of hold, and then I'll go to a traditional wax, this will be the product that I will go to. A product that I can layer onto the hair, and if I want that absolute fixed feel, I can just go back in with some hairspray afterwards. A great all-rounder for medium length hair textures that you want to create texture and movement and style without over producting the hair and the hair starting to feel sticky and weighed down. Great for fine hair textures. Really good for all hair textures, but fine hair textures specifically because it doesn't build up on the hair too much. Now, if you've got a one length haircut where you've got no layers or no texture to be brought out, obviously it's not going to make the hair super textured and interesting. But if you've put a little soft wave into the hair and you want it to have that tousled feel, then this is also a great product. It's been an absolute favorite of mine for a very, very long time now. I don't know when this first came out, but it's been over 5 years of me using it, and I've never been dissatisfied with it. And I've used many wax products in the past, wax sprays, actual waxes, ones in pumps. And the problem with a lot of those types of products is that once you've put them onto the hair, you can't really control the amount. You think it's the right amount, you put it on, you've got too much in one area, it's hard then to redistribute. With this, you can just spray it onto one area, work that area, spray it onto another area, work that area, and go around the head like that. And that is really, really useful. It's around £16 to buy in a salon. I will link affiliate link down below. I've been James Atkinson. This has been The Life of Hair. It's been a very quick product review of Redken Wax Blast. If you found this review interesting and helpful, there's so many more to come, so give us a subscribe down below, and I will see you again next week for another review show. Welcome to Life of Hair. I didn't hit the can.